Hi everyone, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today I'm talking about steam ovens. I'm going to give you some benefits and some features, kind of why you need one in your house. First and foremost, a steam oven is really going to take place of anything you're boiling on the stovetop, whether it be potatoes, eggs, things like that. Now you can mimic a boil in your steam oven at 212 degrees, so it's really eliminating your cooktop, keeping it more efficient for you. Obviously, the first thing you think about when you think about steam ovens is vegetables. So, vegetables steam well, they retain the nutrients and, all of their properties and give a crisp coating. Now, with the convection in these ovens, we can release it out and we can do, whole roast, chickens, things like that in the oven capacity. So now, we're raising the internal temperature to over 375 to 500 degrees. So now, it's a hotter cook with the addition of steam to help not dry out your food and your products. So if you think about that, you could do rice and grains in here as well. And the idea behind the conception of the steam oven is we want to cook your full meal in it. We want you to cook your protein in there. We want to cook your starch, whether it be a rice or a potato, and we want to finish with a vegetable. So now, you can do all three, and you could actually do vegetables and breakfast in here as well. So think about, home fried potatoes, or even this quiche that I'm making right now. So let's open this up, and you see the great amount of steam and heat that it draws. But you know what a normal quiche would look like in a regular oven. But look at the volume that you get with a quiche in a steam oven. It's using a moist heat cooking method, and I'll put it right on this glass right here so you can really see the caramelization. Now this was 350 degrees for about 28 minutes. So if you look and notice, see how fluffy that egg is? And this is a normal quiche that we make, but the volume is immense with the amount of steam you get from the steam oven and the cross between that and the convection heat. So it's a great cooking aspect, really professional look for all of your cooking applications. So hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy steam cooking.